Hi, I'm Tricia Morris from Club Scrap, and you're looking at our Bandana Card Kit. Now, with the materials that come in this kit, you will be able to make a set of 12 beautiful greeting cards using my unique method. Let's take a look at what comes in your box. First of all, you have some really super high quality paper here to each of this stunning bandana print. And then this is a nice heavyweight cardstock here to each of this aqua, a soft white with a gorgeous texture. We have the solid black and a beautiful red. So those are the plain and printed papers. In addition, I help you complete your cards without having to stamp. Now you can, but you don't have to, because all of the sentiments that are on these cut aparts have been carefully mapped out to help you complete the cards, again, without any waste whatsoever. So these cut aparts are really handy. Now, as far as goodies, we have some ribbon here that we've selected to match. So there's this beautiful aqua satin, a metallic silver edged grosgrain, and then 2 yards of this black waxed cord. For card embellishments, we also have a set of 4 of these black tags, 4 white teardrop shaped charms, and it's very important to us that those embellishments are nice and flat, and these definitely meet that requirement. And a whole sheet of Paisley Dazzle stickers, and these are very, very detailed, beautiful additions to your cards. Of course, you need envelopes. A lot of card kits don't include envelopes, but we know that's really important. So you'll have 4 each of 3 different sizes to fit the cards you'll make. Now, along with this box, you can print a very detailed set of written instructions, and you'll also be able to view a workshop video where I will walk you through trimming all this paper, scoring it to make your cards. I really like the structure of the first set of 4 cards we'll make together. So there's a series of 4 little areas here, and you'll add a panel to each one. And then there's also a folded panel here that has your sentiment on the inside and outside. There's that little teardrop embellishment. Now, slimline cards are all the rage these days, and this one is kind of rare because it's actually a horizontal slimline, and we use a very clever formula to prepare all of the surfaces for this card. Check out all the really cool nesting panels and the incorporated tag and stickers to make a beautiful card to send to someone who maybe lost a pet or someone who you think is the best. And finally, we have a 5x7 card to finish things off. This one has a shorter panel on the front, a nested sentiment, and then the other sentiment inside. A nice simple way to finish up our workshop together. It's going to be a lot of fun. So check out Club Scrap's Bandana Card Kit, and let's make these gorgeous cards together in the video workshop. I look forward to seeing you there.